Hey guys, I'm going to show you really quickly how you can take a photo inside of Google and then attach it to your documents and your slides and all of your Google stuff. It's really easy. So go up here to where it says Insert, click on Image, and then go down to Camera. Perfect, and now I can see that my webcam is on me, right? When you take a photo of your work, first of all, I highly recommend putting it on something firm like a clipboard. It just makes it easier. It's not all wiggly that way. It's nice and flat. It's easier to control it. Also, make sure that you have some good light. This light is okay, but it's not ideal. I highly recommend taking a photo with some natural sunlight coming in. So during the daytime, near a window with lights on will make it easier to see. I've also created here a couple of different darknesses of writing, just so you get an idea of what's visible for me. So notice at the top, it's really hard to read this, right? It's light. If you go down, I used a darker pencil, and then here I used pen. So unless I specify that I really don't want you to use pen, for something like notes, for instance, it's okay with me if you use pen. All right. Notice also that I found the halfway mark of my paper. I think for the sake of taking photos, we should just do half of a page at a time. If you pull it back to try to get the whole sheet in, it's quite tiny. So let's just take 2 photos. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to line this up with my camera. I'm going to push it in, and then I'm going to kind of pull it out until I feel like all of my work is visible. Notice that I'm trying to get tight in. I don't want to have tons of white space. All right, and look down at the bottom where it says halfway mark. I'm going to aim for something in that arena that will give me about half of a page. And then you click the camera icon, and you'll see over here on the right-hand side, these are a bunch of different photos that I tried taking. So let's say that I like this one. I'll click Insert, and there it is. And I can drag out the corners, and I can make it larger. And then I will do this again. I will go Insert, Image, Camera, and I'll do it again, but this time I'll do the bottom half of my page, and I'll push it in nice and tight, and I'll make sure I have really good light. As you can see, this light is a little dark. It's not ideal. And then go ahead and take your shot. Okay? So I hope that was clear and easy. Let me know if you have any questions.